My name is Lindsay Hoops. I'm second generation proprietor of Hoops Family Vineyard. As the second generation proprietor, I wanted to build on the foundation that my father established. My contribution, if you will, to Hoops Family Vineyard was really establishing a regenerative agricultural practice and also a place for education and serenity in terms of learning about the agricultural process and how all of the organisms in an ecosystem actually contribute to the agricultural product, which in turn, in our case, translates into the best possible wines that we can produce. So right now I'm talking to you from the epicenter of the oasis. Right here we have our beautiful organic garden. So what we have here are all of these California wildflowers that we've brought in that are native and important to California. So we try to keep everything pretty much as sustainable as possible and be self-sufficient. And I can't tell you how important that felt during coronavirus, was that we were really establishing our own productive garden that we could live from pretty much from beginning to end. This is a double Geneva trellis, so essentially unheard of these days. Nobody plants this way. And the belief when these were planted was that you had to plant above the flood zone. So that's why they're so tall. They're planted more along the style of a Sicilian vine, tree, almost like trees, instead of some of our traditional practices today. This is extremely high maintenance in terms of actual manual labor. You get a lot of really interesting canopy, which provides a great combination of shade, but you have to be very careful that you take care of it over the year so that you don't get too much canopy, so an overbalance of the pyrazines, or what can cause pyrazines. My mom did the design, she designed the label, my dad did all the farming, and so really living here, this is an expression of all of the talents in my family kind of